Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today our topic is sampling and its process. Sampling is a segment or portion of a large population, of a large group is called population. Here the researcher may use the probability sampling, where the purpose of evaluating is to generalize the large group, and non-probability sampling, where the purpose of evaluating is to learn about the individuals other than the generalizing population. Dear students, it has defined by the various sociologists. Among them, one is, according to Crouch, sampling is a limited number of from a large population is taken for testing and analyzing on the assumption that can be taken as a representative as a whole group. Dear students, here I want to tell you the one thing. If we want to buy a Kashmiri tea bag, here for the testing we take a little tea. After the testing we declare whether it is okay or not. Similarly, here the researcher goes in the field. He take the observation of a little population. After then he generalize the whole. This is the meaning of the sampling. The process of sampling is as follows. First one, the objective of the survey. The sampling survey is start with the specific objective. All other steps like the targeting population, sampling frame, and the selection of sampling methods, etc. are designed according to the objective of the survey. Next, dear students, design questionnaire. According to the objective of the survey, it is required to design the questionnaire. Dear students, particularly when sampling survey is conducted at a large scale, it involves the number of investigators. Dear students, after then defining the target of population, to draw a sample from a population, it becomes necessary to know the target of the population. The target of the population is referred as a whole universe. After then, selection of sampling procedure. Dear students, selection of appropriate sampling procedure is necessary in the sampling process. After that, dear students, survey data and process. After the selection of sampling procedure and its units, the next step is collection of data and process. Dear students, after it, analysis of the data. After the collection of the data, the researcher analyzes the data by various statistical tools. Dear students, this is all about today's topic. Okay, thank you.